Yo guys, it's me again. If you look at the entire or big companies all over the world, their entire business model has been or it can be summarized into this simple model, the arbitrage model. So guess what? Your bosses in your office, what they do, or the owners of your companies that you work with, they go get the big contracts. After you get the big contracts, they employ you to execute these contracts, and they pay you a little amount of pie, and they pocket the huge amount of the pie, let's say. Yeah, so it's basically arbitrage. They get contracts and then they delegate it to people like us or people in that category, to do the work, and they pocket the huge bag and then pay us peanuts. So basically, for every Tom, Dick, and Harry out there, yeah, you could do the same. It doesn't have to. You don't have to have $1 billion in your account before you could, use that. It's called leverage. Yeah. So you could start small, like maybe someone that cuts hair now. You could leverage on local barbers around your area and use normal WhatsApp for business. You know, have their contacts there, how much they charge, and all that, and start promoting or talking to your contacts that, hey, if you need home service, I have a couple of people, they're very good, maybe have some ratings for them, or have some model that guides people to make decisions. Yeah, it's not just barbers, but you also have cake industry. There are many people that bake cakes out there. You could actually, you that doesn't even have the knowledge of baking cakes, you could actually leverage on those that have this knowledge here, and then pocket, maybe based on commissions. You get commissions for bringing customers to them. Another model that comes to my mind, or top of my mind, I know that now we're seeing a lot of should I say logistics? Not logistics. Yeah, they could be classified under logistics. So what I'm trying to say is that there are many companies that are coming out now that business model is getting cars, like luxury cars, that could help people with transportation, maybe expatriates or visitors from other states, help them with movement for a particular period of time, and then they give the cars back to their owners. So these companies actually charge a certain fee for, yeah, we've heard some of them, Auto Girl and the likes. Yeah, so one of their pain points is mechanics. Finding a good mechanic, and somebody out there could be smart enough, to leverage on maybe top-notch mechanics in a particular location. You start from there, and then get people to be aware of your service, yeah, and then collect commissions from these mechanics, and maybe even charge the customers or the clients even small, for using your platform also. So, long and short, it's about leveraging on others. This don't necessarily have to have all the skills, or get all the certifications on and all that. You can leverage on people that have these skills. And not discountenancing the fact that getting skills is not important. No, I'm just saying that there are other skills that you could get, like managing people. Everybody knows that managing human beings is like the worst part, or is the most tedious part of management. You could manage your resources, your assets, your softwares, and all that, but managing people is tough. And as Alibaba said, he regards himself as a dumb guy, yeah, but he leverages on managing smart people around him, and he's one of the biggest G's in the world right now. So I don't know what you guys think. If you think the same or think otherwise, maybe comment below, and let's see where this goes. Cheers.